Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast, episode 2267, Power Query, Move to Beginning. Well, anytime I do my full day Power Excel seminar in the afternoon, we always cover Power Query, and I usually try and come up with something that someone in the audience brought as a bad data set, and I try and show how to use Power Query. And so inevitably, I'm in there and I'm creating some new columns or something like that. So let's edit this Power Query that I created in the last episode, and I end up with some awesome new column out here at the far right hand side, and I want to move that back to the beginning. All right, and I would always just kind of try and drag it, and if you have 15, 20 columns, it is super annoying to drag. So someone in my Orlando seminar just this month in February said that if you go right click and then go to move, and then it's just outside of your view or maybe just inside your view, there's something there called to beginning. Right, and that allows you to take that field and move it to the beginning, which is a huge time saver. And it just goes to show there's so much stuff in Power Query that I'm always learning new things all the time. Now here, that was a quick one, so let me give you one more that is just kind of a bonus trick here. Let's say that I want to get total revenue over here, so the revenue field by first character. So really all I need is first characters and revenue. I choose those two columns and then right click and remove the other column. So I'm left with just first characters and revenue, and we'll right click here and rename. This was our industry or our sector abbreviation, like that. All right, and I really just want to figure out, like, I have to upload this somewhere, just 6 rows or something like that. So under transform, there's an item here called group by. Just do the basic today, group by sector abbreviation. The new column is going to be called total revenue, and the operation won't be count rows, but be a sum, and of the revenue column, click OK, and beautiful. We have hundreds of rows of data. We've collapsed it down, added a new column, collapsed it down, summarized that new column, home, close, and load. I love Power Query. It is just an amazing, amazing feature. I'm trying to do all these videos today in one take, and I just absolutely screwed that one up for sure. All right, so MrExcel.com. Check out this new book by Oz DeSoleil. Oz just wrote this, Cleaning Excel Data with Power Query. Straight to the point. $5, has 7 really good examples of how to do things in Power Query. So check that out. All right. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.